for 10 seconds and the sun comes right back out. So let's talk about where we go from here. We had some storms last night, especially in northwest Arkansas, parts of the mountains, and then the eastern river valley. But what's next? Well, more storms are likely tonight. In fact, I think they may last a little bit longer. Some of them may be a bit weaker. We had that really big gust of wind that went through Benton County, especially through the Decatur and Gentry area. We even had some wind speeds registering over 60 miles per hour at X and A. And then that storm really hit us pretty good in Fayetteville too. So we've had some limbs down just across northwest Arkansas. Tonight, they may not be as strong, but they may be more widespread. We may get some decent rainfall again tonight, but it'll still be scattered. So some of us get good rainfall, and then of course still some of us don't. But then more storms are likely tomorrow night. We're watching a pattern right now develop where it's just nighttime storms after nighttime storms. Just when you're trying to get some sleep, you get some rumbles of thunder moving in. But the rain will finally come to an end. The faucet gets turned off. By next week, lots of sun and lots of heat as well. Let's talk about the environment for this evening. Right now, we have some clouds, especially increasing from our west, kind of following along the stationary boundary. Right now, we have some light northeast winds coming in north of this boundary. We have some nice southerly winds to the south. This is a boundary which will help produce more storms later tonight. Right now, the western side of this boundary is getting a lot of activity. New tornado watch for southeastern Colorado. You see a couple more severe thunderstorm watches. We're expecting more of the active weather to push eastbound. It's kind of like a train just going down the railroad tracks coming in later tonight. But a lot of them will start to form over us, I think, in the next couple of hours. But most of them will take place after midnight. There's a very small chance for a pop-up shower or two late this evening after sunset, but the majority of the activity does come in after midnight. Temperatures eventually fall into the 70s. Same story in the river valley. I think we're still dry for the next couple of hours, but then our storm chances really increase after midnight as well. Notice by 2, 3, 4 o'clock, they really start to go up. So with these storms, I think the main impact time will be between 1 to 6. That's a longer window. We'll have some scattered rain and rumbles of thunder for a while from Sallisaw, stretching right into northwest Arkansas. For the heart of the river valley, 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. And then once you go after 5 a.m., that's when a lot of these storms will be pressing south and east, and we could get impacted to some degree in parts of Harris, Boonville, and Waldron. All right, so let's go to Futurecast. I want to show you what we're talking about. So there would be a small chance for a very pop-up shower this evening, but then after midnight, close to 1, 2, 3 o'clock, more storms try to fire up, and then I think that low-level jet comes in to produce more rainfall. Look how these just kind of blossom area-wide. When this takes place, usually the severe threat goes down, but you just dump a lot of water. So we could start tomorrow morning with some decent rain, and then the question is, how long does it take for the clouds to break? Because if it takes a long time for the clouds to break, we may have a cooler day tomorrow. We'll have to see. That's a tough forecast. But we're just trying to work on when the storms will hit overnight tonight. But we do have a level 1 severe threat. So get some rain tonight, maybe some tomorrow night, and then our rain chances start to dwindle into next week. And as the rain chances dwindle, temperatures don't dwindle. They're going to go up into the mid and upper 90s. In the river valley, got to put 100 back on there.
Yeah, my gosh. Anybody's AC besides mine hadn't shut off yet?
It wants to.
Oh, yeah. My
It's
AC is like,
yeah.
it is exhausted. Yeah.
Well, maybe by tomorrow we'll have a little break. Yeah.
There you go. My bill can get a break, too. Thousands of actors and on-air performers have officially started striking. What this means for your favorite shows and movies, up next. And here's what we're working on for you at 6. An Arkansas mother's